Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the browning in food, that is about enzymatic and non-enzymatic process. Okay, so let's start. First we see the table of content. So in this topic we study about the definition, enzymatic browning, steps of enzymatic browning, factor influencing enzymatic browning, non-enzymatic browning, factor influencing non-enzymatic browning reactions, and implication of non-enzymatic browning reaction, and the last, formation of harmful compounds. Okay, so this we study, that is reaction. Okay, so let's start. First we see the definition, that what is browning, how it and then we see what are the types of browning. Okay, so see, browning is the chemical process that leading to change in food color. Basically, see, whenever we see, like whenever you cut the apple, you see that it become brown after half an hour, after 15 minutes. So that is a browning reaction. Okay, it is a chemical process, and by that the food color is changes. The color of food is being changes. Fine. So it is broadly categorized into basic two types, that is enzymatic browning and the non-enzymatic browning. The enzymatic browning and the non-enzymatic browning. Clear? So let's study one by one what comes in enzymatic browning, which steps involved in this, and how it takes place. Fine. So what is enzymatic browning? They occur mainly in fruits and vegetables. Basically, in the fruits and vegetable by the activity of some enzymes that is known as phenolase. See, this is enzymatic browning, and second one is non-enzymatic browning. It means in that there is not involvement of any enzyme. We do it by ourselves. Okay. So the next part, the non-enzymatic browning, we study about the process by which the humans or by the industries, enzymatic process takes place. Okay, and in the enzymatic browning we study about the how naturally the browning takes place in the foods, which types of reactions occurs in them. Fine. So basically the enzymatic browning that occurs in the fruits and vegetable, and in that case enzyme is involved, and that enzyme is known as phenolase. Okay, phenolase catalyzes the oxidation of phenols into orthoquinone. What they do, the phenolase, they catalyze the oxidation. They catalyze the oxidation of phenols, okay, into the orthoquinone, the conversion of phenol into the orthoquinone, and that is rapidly polymerized to form brown or black pigment called melanins. Okay, as you seen in the apple, when we cut down the apple and we leave it for 5, 10 or 15, 20 minutes, or you can say for half an hour, when you observe after half an hour, you can see there is some brown pigments present on the slice of the apples, on the cut the portion of the apple. That is because there is some reactions takes place, and that reaction in which phenolase catalyze the oxidation, that phenol is converted into the orthoquinone, and in that some brown color or black color pigment is visible, and that is due to the presence of melanin. Okay, this is due to the presence of melanin. Okay, so now what are the steps involved in the enzymatic browning? See, there is a lots of process takes place, like oxidation, polymerization. So we study one by one, that is that what takes place in the oxidation of the phenol. Fine. What is the oxidation of the phenol? Okay. The initial step in enzymatic browning involve the oxidation of phenolic compounds. What they involve? They involve the oxidation of some phenolic compounds which are naturally present in various fruits and vegetables and other plant derived products. See, when we are talking about the enzymatic browning, it means they are taken place by naturally. And what about naturally? It means they already present in the fruits and vegetables. We are not incorporating any compound in the fruit and vegetable. Fine. So the first step is that in enzymatic browning, oxidation of phenolic compound takes place. The oxidation of phenolic compound, and they are naturally present in different types of fruits and different types of vegetables, and you can say some other plant derived product. Okay, so the basic enzyme, the polyphenol oxidase, the PPO, the polyphenol oxidase, that play a very important role in catalyzing this reaction. Polyphenol oxidase. Okay, so in the presence of molecular oxygen, like atmospheric oxygen, okay, the PPO oxidized phenolic compound into the quinine, the PPO oxidized phenolic compound into the quinine, that are highly reactive intermediate. They are highly reactive intermediate. Okay, what I am saying, in the presence of oxygen, phenols compound react and then they form quinine. Okay, and plus H2O where water is released. So this is the reaction, this is the summarized reaction of the statement, and their example is catechol. Okay, catechol. You can say catechol, catechol, whatever you want. It's all about your pronunciation. Okay, this is a very common phenol in oxidized to quinine. Okay, in the quinine, this is a very important, or you can say a common phenol that is very easily converted to the quinone. Okay, phenol when react with oxygen